Hello everyone. Today, I'm showcasing two vintage tools that remain incredibly useful in the world of pocket watches. I picked these up at an antique shop, and as you can see, they are in excellent condition with their original boxes beautifully preserved. I'll be testing them out by repairing a jewel on one of the movement bridges. Let's see how they perform. These tools have complementary functions. The first has a flat tip used to expand and prepare the setting for the jewel. The second has a concave tip designed to burnish the metal around the jewel, securing it firmly in place. I'll be testing this on a bridge I have here on the bench. For this demonstration, I won't be focusing on the wheel pivot clearance, but rather on the precise fit of the jewel's diameter into the bridge setting. Let's get started. The flat-faced tool is used to expand the jewel setting, preparing it for the insert. The concave-faced tool is then used to burnish the edge, closing the hole and securing the jewel firmly in place. Use the flat-faced tool to expand the setting just enough to allow the replacement jewel to be inserted. Now, I'm going to level the jewel in the setting to make sure it's perfectly straight. Adjust the side screw to control the opening while slowly burnishing the rim over the jewel's edge. The final result is great. The jewel is now fully restored and properly seated. Next, I'll be doing a real-world test on a movement with a broken jewel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think of these vintage tools, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel to support more pocket watch restorations. See you soon.